Tripy was originally set up to develop and promote an electronic device based on GPS technology. This navigation system is a roadbook reader and editor designed for all those who enjoy taking their motorbike, quad bike or classic car out to explore scenic routes. The other aspect of Tripy's business is the use of specific GPS systems in rally vehicles in order to provide the timekeeping, tracking and speed control functions required by the organiser. The embedded GPS can be used for a range of timekeeping functions, time controls, passage controls, special stage starts, intermediate arrivals and flying finishes. It can also be used to check maximum speeds in predetermined zones, for example where the route passes through a village. Sometimes organisers ask us to see the GPS screen to show that the vehicle is approaching the board, signalling a time control zone. Tripy can post the time the competitor recorded through the time control. All the organiser has to do is record a GPS trace on which he has identified all the required time control points. This is very easy to do using a Tripy system that can be purchased on the website. We then program the devices based on these reference data and the organiser's requirements. During the rally, the organiser can check the status of each competitor's device. For example, he can track when the competitor passes a time control point and immediately see the time he has recorded. The organiser's calculation centre connects to our server and uses all the data available there to rank the competitors' positions. If required, this can be done live and the route actually taken by each team can be displayed at any time. For example, a competitor can be shown where he deviated from the route and why he was therefore given a time penalty. In terms of precision, the fact that Tripy GPS is based originally on a navigation system enables us to achieve a high level precision even in difficult terrains. We can also manage circuits where the competitor passes the same point several times, or special stages that are negotiated several times in the same day. We believe that for the purposes of objectivity and neutrality, it is preferable that the timekeeping system is decoupled from the classification system. The times we produce can be seen by everyone. We use the standard transmission system GSM data, also often referred to as 3G. Clearly, the system does not have total coverage, and regularity rallies are often held in remote locations in the mountains and often can go through areas where there is no signal. However, Tripy memorises all the information gathered, all the times recorded, any breaches of speed limits and the route taken, and will then transmit all the data once the network is available again. In fact, no information is ever lost. It is important to note that Tripy develops all the technology itself, from the hardware to the software in the devices or on the servers. Everything is developed and controlled in-house. The GPS device is generally installed by Tripy engineers who travel to the location, though over the years some organiser members have undergone training and can now install the equipment themselves. Tripy currently has a pool of 1,000 devices. 500 of these are non-connected systems which tend to be used for major rally raids, and a second pool of 450 connected GPS devices which are mainly used in regularity rallies for timekeeping, tracking and speed controls, all in real time. We are currently working on a new generation of timekeeping and tracking devices for modern car, classic car and regularity rallies. The new Tripy R GPS will be more intelligent, more compact and easier to use. It will run on its batteries for several days without a power cable or aerial and will offer many new functions, in particular in terms of safety. The price of the Tripy services varies widely across rallying. It depends firstly on the options chosen by the organiser. Prices begin in the tens of euros for simple functions such as tracking, for example, and up to hundreds of euros for complex functions on hundreds of vehicles which are taking part in, say, a 15-day rally.